Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you fix for the problem which is that when you are using the Adobe Photoshop, the toolbar and the panels does not shows up. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sajam Anthanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Viewers, you can see that at the left side toolbar is not showing up in Photoshop. As well at the right side you can see that layers, properties, etc. panels are also not showing up. So how you can bring the toolbar and the panels back in Photoshop? So for that what you have to do is simply go to Window, then you have to hover on workspace and then you have to click on reset essentials text. You can see as I clicked on it, the toolbar and the panels are showing up in Photoshop.
Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.